Today my video guide will give you instructions to get rid of suspicious pop-up windows from the website Moststraightmoment-13.live. These pop-ups try to force you into participating in some fake survey. The pop-up indicates that you are today's lucky visitor and that you have a chance of winning some exceptional prize, such as iPhone or Samsung phone or some smart TV or some gift card. But the problem is that this fake survey tries to actually collect a lot of your personal details. You'll be told during this primitive survey and answering these primitive questions. At the end of this survey, you will be instructed to provide your email, your telephone number, your name, and possibly some other information. I strongly advise that you do not agree with such a proposal and that you stay away from interacting with all these fake alerts. You should not ever submit any of your private information through these suspicious and really dangerous websites. The occurrence of these alerts in your computer may be the trace of some adware. So, first of all, carefully examine your available applications. If you find something suspicious here, go ahead and move it to the trash. Also, consider scanning your Mac with the reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner. That's the antivirus for Mac, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. After the program is successfully downloaded and installed, you need to wait until it updates the antivirus database and then click on Start Combo Scan button in order to start the free research of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific threat manually, so one threat at a time. And this is the free way to remove threats manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.